I'm diving into the exciting world of science fair experiments. First, I start with a question, something that sparks my curiosity. Let's say, does the type of soil affect plant growth? Next, I do some research to understand what's already known. Then, I form a hypothesis. I think plants in nutrient-rich soil will grow taller than those in sand. Now it's time for the fun part, experimentation. I gather my materials, different soil types, seeds, and measuring tools. I plant my seeds in each type of soil, making sure to keep everything consistent, same light, water, and temperature. After a few weeks, I observe and record the growth. Data collection is crucial. Finally, I analyze my results. Did my hypothesis hold up? I summarize my findings and draw conclusions. This whole process not only teaches me about plants, but also about the scientific method itself. It's all about curiosity, experimentation, and discovery.